If you've ever wondered how to check your X, formerly Twitter, block list, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through the exact steps on desktop so you can quickly find every account you've blocked and review that list anytime you want. This is really helpful if you want to manage your privacy, clean up old blocks, or simply double check who can and cannot interact with your account. And if this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit like and subscribe for more quick and easy tech guides. Alright, let's get into it. First, open the X website on your desktop and log into your account. Once you're signed in, look over to the left-hand side of the screen and find the More option. Click on More to open up the full settings menu. This is where X keeps a lot of the deeper account controls that you won't usually see on the main timeline. From the menu, click Settings and Privacy. This will take you into the main account settings area where you can manage your profile, security, privacy, and content preferences. Now, inside Settings and Privacy, look for Privacy and Safety and click that option. This section controls how your account interacts with other users, including who can see your posts, how your content is filtered, and your block and mute settings. Next, scroll or look through the available privacy tools until you find Mute and Block. Click on Mute and Block and then select Blocked Accounts. This is the exact section where X stores the list of every account you've blocked. Once you open it, you'll be able to view the full list of blocked accounts tied to your profile. From here, you can review the accounts one by one and see who is currently blocked. If you ever want to unblock someone, this is also the place where you would manage that later. But if your goal is just to check your block list, this screen gives you everything you need in one place. So to quickly recap, log into X, click More, go to Settings and Privacy, open Privacy and Safety, select Mute and Block, and then click Blocked Accounts to view your list. It's a simple process once you know where to look, and now you can check it anytime in just a few clicks. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.